What's up, my beautiful vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing amazing, by the way. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these succulent meatball. Look at them, looking so juicy and delicious. And the video of me making them, I will link them down below in the description. So here are the meatballs, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you the rest of the itty bitty ingredients. You have all of this in your cupboard or in the fridge, I promise you. So I'm gonna add some oil to the pot just to fry the meatballs. So get it nice and hot, then put them in. So once they are brown on that side, then you flip them over on the other side, and that's all we're going to be doing. We're just going to be flipping and turning and flipping and just dashing and so yeah, turn them over on the other side and allow the other side to get nice and brown as well, and then we're going to take them out. So flip them on the other side, flipping, right? And the fire should be high, but not too high. So yeah, let's turn again. That's all you're going to be doing for a while, right? And medium fire, don't burn them. Please don't burn them. So yeah, let's take them out now that they are nice and cookity cooked, all cooked. Right, you just want to get them nice and beautifully brown, and then we're gonna take them out. All done, all done. I know they look a little bit burnt, but they are not. So let's add back. This is the oil from frying the meatball. So I use the oil from frying the meatball because you can imagine the flavor, right? So yeah, this is onion, scallion, sweet pepper, chopped up garlic, and I allowed them to saute for like 2 minutes. Then I'm adding pimento seed. Oh, I had thyme as well in there, right? So all the goodness, and you're just gonna saute those, and then I'm going in, okay, green onions. So I said scallion, right? Scallion are green onions, but yeah, you know. So now I'm gonna add some ketchup, and ketchup and barbecue sauce is going to be the base for this for the sauce for the meatball. So it's not like the whole tomato-y whatever, you know, it's like a little razzle dazzle sauce. As I said, you have everything in your cupboard. So now I'm going to be adding some hot water. Use hot water, not cold water, right? Or else the temperature is gonna drop. So stir and then add some more water because you need to get it to a certain consistency, right? So not too thick and you don't want it runny. So of course, because the ketchup and the what's it called again? Barbecue sauce is kind of tangy. I add some sugar, and then now I am going in with a little bit of browning just to get the color up. If you don't have the browning, that is fine. Stir it up. Make sure you taste it. So this is my consistency that I'm going for, but taste it. So listen, as I said, you want to make sure that you taste it to see that the sauce is good. So once you taste it and it's nice like sugar and spice, then you go ahead, you add the meatballs, right? And we are gonna just pour all this deliciousness all over the meatball. Oh my goodness. Pour up, just lather it all over it, right? Oh my goodness. And then we're gonna, once all of them get sauce, because everybody needs to get sauce, you know. So of course, sauce, black pepper, cover it for 5 minutes. Then this is us. And here we have it, vibes fam. Here we have it. This Succulent. Yes, I'm telling you, bite into one. It's so just juicy and nicely cooked, well seasoned. I will link the video down below of me making and seasoning the meatball. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. What would you have this with? Please let me know. And thank you for your support. God bless you.